What up, guys? Look at that. Beautiful day. Perfect day to put the test pipe to the G37. It looks so nice. Can't wait. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, Nissan. I love you guys, but why the fuck would you put the fucking bolt in there? Can't you just put it right here? Would make it so much easier. You're probably just doing it to fuck with us, huh? Dang. But fucking got it out. That shit is loosened. That's loosened. And the fucking demon bolt is loosened. So fuck yeah. Fuck this fucking cat. Finally, after 3 days, as you can see, it's not sunny anymore because it's a different day. It's been 3 days. Been trying to go at this. Alright, I got it out. So this is the old cat pipes, and those are going in. Alright, so the biggest advice that I can give you is buy yourself these. It's a bolt extractors. Trust me, you'll see the light at the end of the tunnel. Like, this will give you a different world. Trust me. So do me a favor, buy this, because for sure you're gonna strip the bolts because they're so rusted. And as you can see, that's the demon bolt. They both snapped. That snapped and that snapped. But I got it out. So I'm gonna install this and let's do it. Buy this. It's called bolt extractor. You should buy it. Alright, so I got one pipe installed. It's actually much easier. So put the bolt in here, reuse the stud, put the new bolt, got the sensor in, got the gaskets in, that's bolted, and that's the top bolt. And it's so much easier to access this bolt right now because all you have to use is 2 extensions, a swivel, and the 14, and it's pretty much, and there you go, access to the top. And put your ratchet in there, and that's way better. All right, so that's cool. All right, let's install the second one, and that is it. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh, working in this much space is not fun. Dang. There she is. Finally installed it. Everything's back together. Looking nice and shiny. And my god. Alright. So happy. Oh! Oh, I smell it. It sounds different for sure. Fuck yeah. Fuck this shit. Fuck yeah. God. Fucking 3 days to take this shit out.